Gliding gently through the reeds on Hickling Broad, I'm with Bob Morgan from the Norfolk Wildlife Trust, and we're on our way to the tree tower, which you can only visit on a guided tour.
Access is only via boat and by appointment only.
It's the peace and quiet of this trip which makes it so special.
Here we are.
Yes.
Sound of the reeds.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Quiet.
It is.
It's fantastic.
No, I mean, there's a few people use
You
it.
join the Weaver's Way very briefly, but then there is no public access beyond this point.
And we gain access by this swing bridge.
Oh,
Ingenious.
Cool.
The tree tower is 60 feet tall and 86 steps to the top.
Got to be fit. Come on. Ah, wow. Look
What
at
a
this.
landscape.
Oh, I say. Fantastic. This really is hidden East Anglia, isn't it?
This is protected land, it's undisturbed land. So most of the land you're looking at to our right there is Norfolk Wildlife Trust Reserve. Winter we do some management of the reed, but in the spring and summer it's completely undisturbed and it's there for the wildlife. We had red deer, crane, bittern.
There is another boat trip nearby which takes you off the beaten track too. This is from How Hill with the Broads Authority. This trip takes you into the reed bed, still used today for thatching.
We do still cut reed on the reserve to this day, not at this time of year. The reed harvest is a winter task. Has to be done at that time of year because it's the dead reed that's used for thatch, not this green reed.
Yeah.
So they're waiting for the first. Sorry about that.
It's getting harder and harder to get away from it all, but these hidden places are there if you look hard enough.